Hello everyone. So here I'm going to explain you. So first the basic business functionality I will explain you. When we receive the handling unit from the vendor or supplier, we have the common barcode, which is the SSCC. When in our warehouse we perform the unloading process, the warehouse workers, they bring the RF devices to scan the barcodes which we have on top on the handling units. To movement of the product or like handling unit, we must scan that actually, okay, scan to get the details at the time of picking, generally from the racks in the warehouse. So here I will explain you what is a business functionality. Like at the time of unloading, the warehouse worker scan, okay, at the time of scanning, the screen look like this okay, so when the box, okay, which is the handling unit, and handling unit we have the different sizes, E1, E3, E6, okay, depends upon the size of this container handling unit, means full pallet or full HU. So on the handling unit we have two kind of barcodes where I explain here, which I explain here. If you can see here, the barcode A, this is an example. This is a, suppose this is a barcode, you can assume this is a barcode first, okay, barcode 1, okay. So we have first delimiter, okay, this is delimiter looks like this, okay, this is a delimiter, machine captures, okay, machine captures this delimiter. Then we have 02 we do in the bracket, in the barcodes, if you see in the bracket 02, 03, these are the prefixes, means application IDs, okay, these are the application ID, okay. Application ID means we tell to system what is the process, business functionality indicates by the application ID. So first we have 02, this in the system, in the configuration we skip, okay. In the configuration we have one of the area where we tell to system we do not require this one, like delimiter, okay, we should read from here. So 02 means EAN, European article number, or which is the product details, okay. So this is the product detail. So this 02 indicates to the product detail. And then we have the 15 is then application ID. So we have the different application ID. 15 in the bracket, best before date. So 2026-0103, we have the best before date. Then 20 means this is the version or variant of the product. So 20 denotes 09. 37 indicates quantity. We have the quantity 500 here. So this is the first barcode. So first barcode, and we have another barcode, second barcode. So second barcode we have in the bracket 00 SSCC HUID. So this indicates handling, this is the handling unit ID. And the bracket we have the 10, which is the prefix or application ID. Always remember, in the brackets we have the prefix or application ID, but in some barcodes you see the long lines, then small lines, then long lines. You have here 8, 7, okay. So it depends upon the country to country barcodes standard they follow, okay. So GS1 website, you may check all these details. So now when we see the 10 batch number, 10 in the bracket means batch number or lot number, because we have the batches. If in most of the food products, like many food products, we have the batch number L, you see L something number, lot number, okay. So this indicates batch number of the barcode. So these are the barcode information, and at the runtime warehouse workers, when we perform the unloading process, we capture this, we scan and we capture into the machine, okay, by the warehouse resources. We do this configuration development in the systems, but this is the details in the we need to develop actually. And all these videos on my channel which I place, all this for the helping knowledge sharing purposes, okay, and just for this is for to help to the people, okay. And here you can see we have the device. So suppose this is an inbound process because we are unloading. So the warehouse worker, suppose this is a warehouse worker or resource, hold the RF screen. And RF screen we have the first field HU, product, actual quantity, batch number, best before, or I can say lot, okay, best before. So when the warehouse worker, they click on the scan button through the RF device like this, like RF device look like this, and what they do, they scan HU. Okay, they scan the handling unit, then all the so handling unit means they scan the barcode actually. So they will scan the barcode like this, they will scan, all the information will be captured in the RF screen. So to the warehouse workers, the RF screen will look like this. Okay, screen will look like this, where we have the handling unit, where they need to enter manually or system should capture automatically through the barcodes. So first, when the warehouse worker, first when they scan the first barcode, like this, scan the first barcode will capture 02, which is the EAN number, best before date, version or variant. When the warehouse workers, they capture first barcode, then automatically this information, EAN number, will be filled here automatically, and best before date will be filled here, okay, automatically, version or variant, and quantity. And suppose we have the version also, one field, version will be filled and quantity will be filled, picking quantity or inbound quantity, or we have the quantity inside the handling unit. These barcodes we have on the box which we receive from the supplier or vendor. Okay, these three fields will be filled automatically. Then now suppose they will scan another barcode. Okay, they will scan another barcode. So how they scan the barcode? We have the specific number with the barcodes, right? So warehouse workers, we need to enter the number here, or at the runtime when they scan, the number will be captured. But in the SAP screen, in the screens, we have to enter here. Suppose 00 2369 334977, then 10 32269 Suppose we enter this number, so here automatically it captures 10 and 00. So all this detail will be automatically captured. So when we put this number, or in the resources they scan that barcodes, so this number will be filled here automatically. So 00 means here we can see SSC ID. Okay, SSC ID will be captured, batch number will be captured here, product, if we have here product quantity 37, actual quantity will be filled from the, so rest of the things like same, few information will be captured from this barcode, few information will be captured from this barcode, and also here we need to enter the HU type, the size of the handling unit, E1, E2, okay, E3, okay, Euro pallet size for an example, depends upon the size of the pallets. So based on the handling unit type, system will capture the packaging material and we can check in the inbound delivery. Okay, so based on that system, and here I put one note, the warehouse resource scan one by one both the barcodes. For you make you more understandable, I put here some note, and the detail of the barcode will be captured in the RF devices, record will be saved in the system database table. So like this we can perform the customization, and in that way, and the barcodes will capture, and when the resource will press enter or press the button next, the data detail will be go and sit inside the database tables, or in the standard database tables. I already shown you some of the tables. We have the custom fields. Okay, that field will capture the custom records, will save inside the table, and or at runtime the database table, and when we get the data, we get the data from the corresponding database tables or from the views, okay, at runtime. So this is about the how the barcodes and screen will work. This is a screen actually, RF device screen. A screen could be customized. So scan barcode, or like only scan, or skim barcodes, scan, analyze barcode, like can be customized. Okay, can be redesigned, can be customized. So depends upon the business to business requirement. And thank you very much guys. See you next. you can see in this picture carefully all the details. How the screen look like and how the barcode look like. So barcode could be customized, barcode could be different, but this is the an idea in the real time, the requirements, how we do the work with this barcodes and RF devices. Thank you very much, guys.